So here at Station 1, we're going to be doing an activity called Follow That Current. So right now in this bucket of water, I have hot water that's available here. What I'm going to do is drop in 2 ice cubes that have colored water on them. And I want you to pay attention here to how the water is moving and pay attention to where that color is going. Take a look at how that color is dispersing in our water. So what you're going to be doing on your worksheet right now is I want you to kind of explain what you're seeing here, how that color is moving, and then I also want you to draw a picture of what you see is happening here. And then think about from the video that we watched, is this a deep current, a surface current, or is this looking at salinity here? So here at Station 2, we're going to be doing currents of the wind. So what I have is just a nice bucket of water. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of spices over the top here. And what I want you to observe is that when I blow this fan onto the surface of the water, I want you just to observe what's happening, try to explain some of the things that we're seeing with the spice moving. So how is that spice moving? What type of motion do we see here? And then is this a surface current, a deep current, or are we talking about density here? Or salinity? And finally here we have Station 3. So Station 3 we're going to be talking about sinking or floating. So I have my 1 beaker here filled with regular water. I am going to add a spoonful of salt here. Mix that up until it dissolves. So this salt water right here is going to represent our oceans, which is about 97.5% of all water that we see on Earth. Okay. I am also going to add 2 drops of food coloring, just so we'll be able to tell the difference between our 2 beakers here. Okay, now that's all mixed in and dissolved. I'm going to take my 2nd beaker here. So this is a beaker of just fresh water, and I want you to observe what happens to the colored water as I pour it in. So if you could tell, did one sink to the bottom? Was it floating on top? That's the observations I want you to make here. And then I also want you to think about, is this based on salinity? Is this observing ocean currents, as in surface currents or deep currents? Okay, please let me know if you have any questions here.